Asteroids come in many shapes, but most of them are in a regular shape like a potato. The average size can be less than 2 kilometers, which is 1 mile wide, while others can be 800 kilometers, which is 500 miles wide. The composition depends on which planet it was originated from. The asteroids close to the sun are made of carbon, while the further one is made of silicate rock. The metallic asteroids are composed of 80% iron, 20% mixture of nickel, iridium, palladium, platinum, gold, and other precious metals.
When our solar system was forming, some pieces of planets broke off and floated into space. Some of these pieces were so big they were considered dwarf planets. The broken parts of the planets now are called asteroids. One big impact that asteroids had on Earth was they may have killed all the dinosaurs. Scientists are not sure yet, but there's evidence. One famous asteroid is the one that may have killed all the dinosaurs. It was called Chicxulub. Asteroids are mostly located in the main asteroid belt, which is between Mars and Jupiter, but really they're everywhere in our solar system.